Hey everyone, welcome to today's 15-minute dance workout. We're gonna learn a few moves, and then later on I'm gonna challenge your brain just as much as your body today with those reaction times, getting quickly into a movement as I call it out. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like this video, and stay tuned for more sunny workouts. All right, everybody, getting started with our warm-up here. Feet nice and wide, slide, turn out with the toes. Cross the arms, bend the legs, bring the arms up overhead, and bring the arms together, bending the legs. We're just gonna keep bending the legs, the arms just gonna alternate closing, and then circling up overhead here. Nice work. Take it whatever range of motion you need to. We'll circle back to all these movements one more time as well. So you can take it a little bit more as like a demi-plie, just a slight bend in the knees. All good there. All right, and we're gonna move side to side a little bit here. That arm goes up, up, down. Nice work, team. Up, up, down, up, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One more each side. Plant the feet nice and wide. We're gonna roll through the spine, snaking forward. One more time. Find your breath. And reverse, lead with the hips. Follow through. Take it down again. Bring it forward. And down. Good, snake it forward. Reverse. And down. Forward. Up. And down. One more time, reversing. Lead with the hips and follow through. All right, team, taking it down to the floor, planting on your hands and knees here. We're just gonna circle to the right over those wrists. Nice and easy here. Just waking up the wrists, switching directions. Creasing the hips as you go back. Good, find your feet again. Nice and wide, one more time through that warm up. It's gonna be kind of a tricky one today, so really taking our time, getting our bodies ready for what's to come. Good, 2 more. And up, up, down. Good, you can sit into that hip a little bit more. How long can you stay with that leg lifted while still being on time, getting back onto that next movement, side to side. One more each way. And feet nice and wide, snake it through. Again. And reverse. Bring it forward. Take it down. Hips lead. And follow forward, snake it. Reversing again. Rolling through. Good, 2 more, lead with the hips. And forward. Take it back. Hips, forward. And we're taking it down to the floor. One more time. We will be bearing some weight into our hands, so just getting the wrists ready. Maybe we circle a little bigger this time. And switch. Good, a couple more here. Last one. All right, awesome work, everybody. Quick rest, grab water if you need to. Coming up here, we're gonna learn some movements. It's gonna be pretty fast paced, so if you need to pause the video, take a little bit more time if you have it to practice, feel free to do so. Nice slow tempo with everything today. So we're gonna take our time learning those movements, and then we're gonna put it all together pretty fast paced. Then coming up towards the end, I'll be randomly calling out the movements. testing our reaction times. So starting with learning that first movement that we've got, I want you to find a rock forward and back. On the 1, we're gonna be back, and then on the even counts, we're gonna be forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. From here as you're back, kick that right leg forward, and then tilt it forward, hook the leg across, take it back, leg extends, and then plant it down. So you're keeping this going the whole time as the leg goes back, cross, back, down. Good. Back, back, down. Just follow along here. Back, cross, back, down. Back, cross, back, down. One more each side. Back, cross, back, down. Good. Next movement we're gonna learn, you're gonna take a big step out to the side, carve those arms. Then we're gonna take it across, shift the weight this way, shift the weight this way. We're gonna roll the shoulders out, step it together. We're gonna keep following that same direction, going opposite side, carve, cross, cross, roll, keep stepping this way, cross, cross, roll. Good. Carve, cross, cross, roll, step, carve, cross, cross, roll the shoulders. Nice work, team. Cross, cross, roll the shoulders. All right. Coming up next, we're gonna take it down to the floor. So this is where that wrist prep came in handy. Feel free to take a little bit longer if you need to here. Starting in a bear plank, knees off the floor. You ready? Here we go. We're gonna step side, together, kick one leg, kick the other. Same thing, opposite way. Side and side, kick and kick. I'm gonna show you that side view, what I'm doing with those legs. I'm just extending and coming right back down. So let's try that once more, each direction here. Side, side, kick and kick, side, side, kick and kick. All right, last movement we have, we're gonna stay down here. I'm gonna take 4 shoulder rolls, taking you down to the floor. Then I'm gonna go forward with the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. So back, 2, 3, 4, forward, 2, 3, 4. Back, 2, 3, 4, forward, 2, 3, 4. Back, 3, 4, forward, 2, 3, 4. You can challenge yourself and go really low. Or if we're just chilling, you can just rock it out with those shoulders in that seated position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Super quickly, we're gonna fly back through all of those together. Remember, we have that kick, hook, kick, switch. Kick, switch. Good, just follow along with me. One more each side. Up next is that carve and the arms reaching diagonally. Carve, cross, cross, step together. Carve, cross, cross, step together. One more each way. Last one. Step together. Bear plank. Woo, quick transitions today. Side, side, kick it back, kick it back. One more each way. All right, quickly get to that sit-up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and forward. Good, take it back. And forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. And up once more. Whew, all right, nice work, everybody. Catch your breath here. Again, grab water if you need to. So, coming up in about 30 seconds, it's gonna be really fast-paced. For these next 2 minutes, I'm gonna call out the movement and we're gonna get right into it. Some movements you might be doing for longer than others. Really testing that quick reaction time today. 2 minutes, I call it out, you follow. Let's start with that carve and diagonal reach. In 3, 2, 1, carve, reach, reach, step together. Nice work, take it right down to those sit-ups. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Nice work. Quick 8 count. Kick hooks come up next. Back, cross, back, and forward. Good, team. Back to the carve. Good, take it right down, bear plank. We go in 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, kick, and kick. Good. Back to sit-ups. We're already here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Take it back and forward. Forward. Back and forward. Back. Oh yeah, we're getting that core bird today. Back and forward. A little longer and forward. Good, take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, we go. 5, 6, kick hooks. To the carve, carve, reach, reach. Step together, carve, reach, reach. Bear plank. Good, nice work, everybody. Woo, catch your breath here. 45 seconds to rest, recuperate. We got 1 more minute of quick randomized call outs coming up. So just get ready to stay on your toes. Might be transitioning through some things a little bit quicker than what we did in those 2 minutes. Again, just get ready, I lead, you follow. If it takes you a little bit longer to transition, all good, no worries. I will be testing some of those transition times, seeing how quickly we can get into it, but as always, just pick up wherever you need to. Deep breath in, let it go. All right, team, let's have some fun. Last minute to dance it out today. We're getting started in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Let's start those kick hooks, nothing too complicated. Right away to the carve. Good, take it down, bear plank, side, kick, and kick. Sit-ups down, 2, 3, 4, forward. Back, 2, 3, 4, forward. Quick, back to the bear plank. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, take it up to stand. We go, carve. Carve. There we go. Kick hooks. Down to the sit-up. We go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. Let's finish out bear planks one last time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Side. Kick it out, kick it out. Awesome work, team. How did that go? Did you feel like you were able to quickly transition and keep up with those fast pace changes today? If not, no worries. Again, you showed up for you today, and that's a beautiful thing. I would encourage you to come back to this workout as you build that strength, build that stamina, see if you can get into those movements a little bit quicker. And then cool it down here. Big reach up and over to the side. Breathing into it. Maybe thinking about one moment today that really challenged you. One moment where you felt really successful. Take it to a down dog here. So think of those 2 moments, mostly focus on where you felt successful. Please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear where you felt was challenging and where you felt you were successful. Good, bring those feet underneath. We're gonna just stretch those palms, pulling those fingers back. Just allowing yourself to relax here, slowing down the breath. All right, reach it up And release. Opening up the arms. Awesome work today, everybody. Again, don't forget to comment those 2 moments throughout your workout today. Again, my name is Sunny Trainer Mara, and I'll catch you next time.